Unlocking the Past, a guide to understanding a retrospective view. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and insightful English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even conversations. We'll explore the meaning of a retrospective view. This phrase opens up the fascinating world of reflection and history, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension. So, let's get started on our journey into the past. First, let's break down the phrase, a retrospective view, into two parts. The word, retrospective, comes from Latin, where retro means back or backward, and spectare means to look. Thus, retrospective literally means looking backward. When we add view to the mix, we're talking about looking back on something with an emphasis on understanding or interpreting past events, decisions, or experiences. This phrase is often used to describe a way of thinking or a type of analysis that focuses on past events to understand the present better or to plan for the future. You might encounter it in various contexts. In art and exhibitions, where it refers to showcasing an artist's work over the years. In literature and film, when discussing themes or characters' growth over time. In personal and professional reflections, highlighting lessons learned from past actions or decisions. Using a retrospective view can add depth to your conversations or writings, allowing you to express a thoughtful consideration of the past. To fully grasp how to use a retrospective view, let's look at some examples. The documentary offers a retrospective view of the artist's life, revealing how her experiences shaped her work. In his memoir, he takes a retrospective view on his career, acknowledging both his successes and failures. Our company meeting concluded with a retrospective view on the past year's achievements and challenges. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, fitting into discussions about art, personal growth, or organizational progress. Understanding and using the phrase, a retrospective view, can enrich your English language skills, allowing you to engage in more profound and reflective conversations. It's a beautiful way to acknowledge the past's impact on the present and future. We hope this exploration has illuminated the depth and utility of looking backward to move forward. Thank you for joining us on this reflective journey, and we look forward to uncovering more insights together in future videos.